So what I do, especially with women in particular, is inspire them to fall in love with what they love to eat, but without all the shit food in there. How do I inspire the world to not get sick and eat shit food? It's really simple. Love them up, number one. Really love them up. And to really show them that this is what we're a part of. This stuff here, this is us. This is what we do. This is what we are. And by giving someone an opportunity to fall in love with their organs first and not their outside, like we stand in front of the mirror and we fucking pick on stuff. We pick on our legs, our boobs aren't big enough, our nose is this way, and all the things, right? And I find that's really like shocking to the body to do that. So what I do, especially with women in particular, is inspire them to fall in love with what they love to eat, and then show them a way of how to use ingredients and make that same dish, and full flavoured and delicious. That's the same dish, same texture, but without all the shit food in there. And they go, oh my God, I can have the creamy mushroom pasta and still have that feeling of having that. I'm drooling thinking about it actually, because I love creamy mushroom pasta, and having it without that laden of dairy, which makes you feel like shit. And then the mushrooms are all washed away in the oil and it's just like rubbish, right? And then having it the way I cook it and show them, oh my gosh, the light bulbs go off, the abundance happens, and then they start to really fall in love internally with themselves. Because that's the gig, right? It's internal. It's all internal. Food does matter. It actually really does. And I think the more that we recognise that, the better off we are.